Welcome to Kamal Kunj Home Academy, Encounter with Mathematics. In this session, we will discuss some of the symbols and terms which are frequently used in geometry. Now, the word geometry has been derived from two Greek words, that is geo and metrin. Geo means the earth and metrin means to measure. So literally geometry means the measurement of earth. Now it deals with the study of points, lines, planes, a space and polygons and circles, etc. Now we will start with for the symbols which are frequently used in geometry. This belongs to this or this such that this there exists is proper subset is subset this is equal to this is not equal to this implies that equivalent to union this intersection this angle this triangle this is parallel to this is perpendicular to this is not parallel to This is line AB. This is line segment AB. This is ray AB. Is similar to is congruent to is parallelogram this is belongs to two vertical dots or vertical line such that this symbol for there exists proper subset equal to not equal to implies that equivalent to union intersection angle triangle parallel to perpendicular to not parallel to line AB line segment AB ray AB is similar to congruent to this is for parallelogram. So these are some of the symbols which are frequently used in geometry. Now we will discuss some terms which are frequently used in geometry. Set what is set? Set is a collection of well defined objects, a collection of well defined objects is called a set. Now the objects are called elements of the set. Elements of the set. So a collection of well defined objects is called a set and the objects are called elements of the set. For example, let us take set A whose elements are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Another set B, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we see that set A contains elements 1, 2, 3 and these elements are also present in set B, and set B has some more elements 5, 6, 7. So in such a case set A is called proper subset of B. Is called proper subset of B. Now what is union of sets? Union of two sets A and B is defined as the set containing elements present in A or present in B or both. Union of two sets A and B is defined as the set containing elements present in A or B or both A and B. So symbolically it is represented as A union B equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. For example, let us take set A is equal to 1, 2 and 3 and B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So A union B will be one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This set contains elements present in A or elements present in B or both A and B. So this is A union B. Now intersection of sets. Now diagrammatically this is represented as, suppose this is the set A and this is set B. Then A union B will be this will be A union B. Now intersection of sets. Intersection of two sets A and B is defined as the set which contains elements which are present in set A as well as in set B. That is common elements present in A as well as present in B. So here in this case elements present in both are two and 3. These two elements are present in both in A as well as in B. So this will be intersection of A and B. This will be equal to intersection of A intersection B. And in set notation form it is represented as X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B, which are present in both. This is called intersection of two sets. Diagrammatically it will be represented as, suppose this is set A and this is set B. So what is common? This is the common portion. So this will be intersection of A and B. This is A intersection B. Now we will discuss term postulate and theorems. What is postulate? A statement which needs no proof is called a postulate. Postulate is a statement which needs no proof. Is called a postulate. A statement which needs no proof is called a statement. It is accepted as true without any proof. It is accepted as true without any proof. So this is called postulate. And what is theorem? What is theorem? A statement which needs proof is called a theorem. A statement which needs proof is called a theorem. A statement which needs a proof is called a theorem. It cannot be accepted as true without any proof. It cannot be accepted as true without any proof. So this is theorem. A statement which needs proof. It cannot be accepted as true without any proof. It is called theorem. Now in geometry there are some undefined terms. What are those undefined terms? Undefined terms. Undefined terms are: number 1, point; number 2, line; number 3, plane; and number 4, a space. These are 4 undefined terms in geometry: point, line, plane, and a space. Informally, a line is defined as a set of points. Informally, line is defined as a set of points. Informally, a line is defined as set of points. Similarly, a plane is also defined as informally a plane is defined as set of points or set of lines. Informally, a plane is also defined as set of points or set of lines. A space, it is also informally defined as set of points. So these are 4 undefined terms: point, line, plane and space. Now we will discuss collinear points. Collinear points. The points of a set are said to be collinear if there is a line that contains all the points. The points of a set are said to be collinear if there is a line that contains all the points. That contains all the points. So collinear point, the points of a set are said to be collinear if there is a line that contains all the points. What are non-collinear points? Non-collinear points. 3 or more points. 3 or more points are said to be non-collinear if they do not lie on the same line. Three or more points are said to be non-collinear if they do not lie on the same line. The same line. This is non-collinear points. What is coplanar points? Coplanar points. The points of a set are said to be coplanar if there is a plane that contains all the points. The points of a set are said to be coplanar if there exists a plane that contains all the points. Fifth, coplanar points. Points of a set are said to be coplanar if there exists a plane that contains all the points. What is non-coplanar points? Non-coplanar points four or more points are said to be non-coplanar. Four or more points are said to be non-coplanar. If they do not lie in the same plane. Four or more points are said to be non-coplanar if they do not lie in the same plane. What is a line segment? What is a line segment? Suppose this is the PQ is a line segment. Then this line segment is union of PQ and all the points between P and Q. It is represented as segment PQ. So this is equal to P and Q union X such that X is between P and Q. Union of P, Q and all the points between P and Q. This is called segment of a line segment. What do you call open line segment? What is called open line segment? Is PQ open line segment represented as open line segment PQ is equal to set of all the points between P and Q X such that X is between P and Q. This is open line segment. Half open line segment, half open line segment P Q. It is represented as PQ set of P and all the points between P and Q is equal to P union X such that X is between P and Q. This is called half open line segment. What is ray? Ray PQ. What is ray PQ? It is denoted by PQ. Ray PQ is equal to, defined as segment PQ union X such that Q is between P and X. This is ray. This is open line segment. This is half open line segment. What is concurrent rays? Concurrent rays. Rays having same common end point is called concurrent rays. Here AB, AC and AD rays are concurrent rays because they have common end point. This is called concurrent rays. What is opposite rays? Opposite rays. Opposite rays, two rays are said to be opposite. Two concurrent rays, two concurrent rays are said to be opposite rays, opposite rays if they lie on the same line. On the same line. For example, ray AB and AC. Ray AB and AC are opposite rays because they lie on the same line. So two concurrent rays are said to be opposite rays if they lie on the same line. Now what is angle? What is angle? AB and angle BAC or CAB. An angle is a union of two rays having common end point. Angle. How will you define an angle? Is defined as the union of two rays having common end points. Because angle is the union of two rays having common end point. What is interior of an angle? What is the interior of an angle? Interior of an angle is the intersection of side AB containing C and side AC containing B. See, AC and this is AB. So, what is side AB? As C, side of AB containing C is this is the side of AB containing C, and side of AC containing B will be this is side of AC containing B. So, this portion having red as well as green lines, this portion is called interior of an angle. This is the intersection of side AB containing C and side AC containing B. This is the intersection, and this is called interior of a triangle. So, this is, suppose you take any point P. So, this will be in the interior of the triangle. And rest will be exterior. So, this will be exterior. This is also exterior, also exterior. Thus, an angle separates the plane in three disjoint sets. Number one, an angle separates the plane into three disjoint sets. Three sets. Number one, set of angle ABC, angle itself. First is the angle itself, and second is the interior of the angle, interior of the angle, and third is exterior of the angle. Thus, an angle separates the plane in three disjoint sets: angle itself, interior and exterior. Now, what are adjacent angles? Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. These are adjacent angles. So, what are the conditions for adjacent angles? Two angles are said to be adjacent. First criteria is that number one, they are in the same plane. Same plane. Number one criteria, they are in the same plane. They have common vertex. Second criteria is they have a common vertex. And third criteria is they have common ray. One ray is common in both. they have one ray in common. And fourth criteria is intersection of their interior portion is empty. The intersection of their interiors is empty. So these are called adjacent angles, criteria for adjacent angles. They are in the same plane, they have a common vertex, they have one ray in common, and the intersection of their interiors is empty set. They are called adjacent angles. What is linear pair? Linear pair. What is called linear pair? AB and AD are opposite rays. AB and AD are opposite rays, and AC is any other ray. Then this forms a linear pair. What is supplementary angle? What is supplementary angle? Supplementary angles. Angle CAB and CAD, two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum total is 180 degree. If angle CAB plus angle CAD equal to 180 degree. If the sum of the angles is 180 degree, then they are called supplementary angles, and each angle is called supplement of the other. What is complementary angles? Complementary angles. Angle CAB and CAD are called complementary angle if their sum is 90 degree. If sum of the angles is 90 degree, angle CAB plus angle CAD equal to 90 degree. If the sum of the angles is 90 degree, they are called complementary angles, and each angle is called complement of the other. What is acute angle? What is acute angle? This angle BAC, it is called acute angle if measure of the angle is less than 90 degree. If measure of angle BAC is less than 90 degree, it is called acute angle. What is an obtuse angle? Obtuse angle if measure the angle is more than 90 degree. Of angle BAC is more than 90 degree, it is called obtuse angle. What is right angle? The angle is said to be right angle if measure is 90 degree. D is equal to 90 degree. It is called right angle. And this angle, this is called reflex angle. It is called reflex angle. Now we will stop here and continue further in the next session. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.